So when you create a movie in After Effects, in this case I've used just the tools inside of After Effects. So I have a composition, but usually you'll have rendered frames and other graphic elements you've imported into After Effects as well. Once you've gotten all your assets together, you arrange your composition, but only After Effects can read this file. This AEP format is unique to After Effects. In order to have the movie actually be used or viewed anywhere else, you need to render it. So I'm going to go to the window menu and open the render queue, and I'm going to drag the composition into the render queue. A couple settings to be sure of. You want to have the best settings, lossless, which means you're getting rid of compression. Best settings, unless, for example, you're just trying to test it, you could do a draft settings, for example, if you just want to see it and have a smaller file size and have it render quicker. This is really important. When you click here, you want to see where it's sending your file. The reason that's critical is all of anything that I brought into the movie. Now in this case, like I said, I made the artwork in After Effects, but if I had rendered files or graphics I brought in, they all really need to be in the exact same position as when I imported them. So when I'm working in Maya, or I'm using Maya and After Effects together, I will use the movies directory inside my project directory to hold my After Effects rendered file and the actual original rendered file. Okay? So I'm going to say save, and I want to make sure there's only one format that Mac's giving me, this .mov. So I can say save, and now I still have to hit this render button. And it will take a second, and there's a little beep that goes on and tells me I'm done. So if I'm going to save my After Effects movie and hide it, and if I go look at my hard drive and I go find that movies directory, and again, this may be different the way you have it set up, probably on your R drive. Now I should be able to see that movie and play it. Okay. So here it is right here. And now I have and this is the file I need you to put up into your Dropbox, the MOV file for this aneurysm assignment. Most times we'll take this another step. After you make the MOV file, we'll take it into Media Encoder and compress it as an MP4 file. But this MOV format is the format that holds the most information. It's larger, so it's more cumbersome for playing, but it's the file you want to protect the most, because you can always compress this and make a new MP4. But once you lose the MOV file, you have to go back and re-render. Okay, so that's about all we want to talk about there.